Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday early morning and I'm filming this at 7 o'clock. I was so sleepy, but I had to go out, get ready. I took a shower, did my skincare, washed my face thoroughly, and did my skincare, sorry. But even then I was feeling so sleepy. But I have to get ready, so I will get ready. So here you'd see that I'm doing my eyebrows real quick. Now this makeup look legit takes only 5 minutes to get done, and this is something which looks so fresh and so natural that you'd reflect such a nice, fresh, blissful look. But the first thing that I'm going to do after my skincare when it comes to makeup is I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and as you see I'm only taking a very little amount and I rubbed it on the back of my hand and I warmed the product up. Now I'm only using my fingers to blend this today because I want this look to be really natural and giving a feel that I have had a great amount of sleep, although I did not last night. But here you see how flawless my skin looks just with one concealer and only a little product. And here I'm taking my banana powder. Now today I'm using a sponge rather than over a brush, and I'm just dabbing the excess of that powder on the back of my hand, and now I'm pushing it under my eye. You have to make sure that you're creaseless under your eye, but do you see how it mattifies the complete concealer area? And that's what you want, because you do not want to be creasing even though you've used less product, but still it's prone to creasing. But here I am diffusing all the creases away, even on my eyelid, and mattifying my forehead as well. I'm taking a cream blush because, like I have always say, that a cream blush gives you a very fresh and healthy look, and I'm mixing my illuminator in that blush. I'm warming the product again on the back of my hand, and I'm just bouncing it with my finger ever so slightly on my cheeks. Now, do you see that glow, guys? That's what we want from this look. I'm just going to repeat on the other side as well. And I realized that it was looking a little less pinkier than I wanted for this look, so I added a little bit more of that cream blush. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. bite-size palette, and I'm taking this brown eyeshadow and I'm using this as my eyeliner. Now early in the morning, I do not want a very in-the-eye kind of a black eyeliner, and that is why I went with something lighter in shade, brownish in shade, and powder in the texture. I am also just diffusing all my crease on my eyelids, and I'm using a brush to make sure that it sets throughout the morning. I love putting a lighter shadow on my lower lash line because it just gives a nice bright and awake look. And I realized that I had a little bit of creasing, so I'm just using some more of that loose powder, and before that I'm making sure that all the creases have gone away. Now for this look, you do not want very clumpy or very heavy mascara because it's too early in the morning. So what I'm doing is I'm using a very light hand to put that mascara. It's just to get rid of any powder that I may have put, while applying the makeup. But here I'm using a pinkish brownish lip liner, and I'm putting my Clinique lipstick, which is literally a lip balm in a lipstick. This is so good. I highly recommend this range. I wanted to look really soft in the morning, so I would just use my finger to kind of diffuse and make it a little soft. And that's it, literally. We are almost done with our makeup, and I tried this little transition thing. Went pretty smooth, by the way. But here's the final look. I'm wearing the regular earrings that I wear on a daily basis, and I'm also going to be putting a black bindi. Now this is in a really small size because I feel that this size suits me better over larger or bigger bindis. I thought I was still losing that color that I wanted, so I'm just topping up the same blush color on my cheeks, and I promise this is the last time I'm doing it. But that's the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me. If you guys are wondering what am I doing at 7 o'clock on a Saturday morning, I was actually going out for a health checkup, which was completely sponsored by my organization, and a massive shout out to my organization for arranging this. But this is the final look, and I hope I'd see you again. Thank you so much.